In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on conversation intelligence in Hubspot. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and looking at your main dashboard. The settings for conversation intelligence live inside the calling configuration, so we will head there first. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click Settings. This opens the main settings area where Hubspot keeps account-wide tools and feature controls. Once you are in Settings, look over to the left sidebar where the menu is organized into sections. In the left sidebar, find and click Objects. Objects is where Hubspot stores the settings for core records and the activities that get logged across the CRM. Under Objects, click Activities. Activities includes things like calls, emails, meetings, and tasks, and this is where you can control how calling features behave. After you open Activities, you will see multiple tabs across the top of the page. Click the Calling tab. This section controls call-related options, including what information is captured during calls and how it is stored. Next, within the calling area, click the Transcription and Analysis tab. This is the part of Hubspot where you manage conversation intelligence features, such as creating transcripts and analyzing conversations. These tools are useful because they help you review calls later, coach teammates more effectively, and keep more complete records in your CRM. Now, look for the Associations setting. Toggle the Associations option on, and then choose the activity type settings. When you are prompted to select an activity type, choose Call. This tells Hubspot that transcription and analysis should apply to calls as a logged activity, so the conversation data connects properly to the right records and is easier to find later. Take a moment to double-check that you selected Call, since choosing the correct activity type is what ensures your call conversations are captured in the right place. Finally, go to the bottom left and click Save. Saving is important here because Hubspot will not apply the change until you confirm it. Once it is saved, conversation intelligence for calls is turned on based on the settings you just selected. And that is all there is to it.